I'm going to do a quick room tour. Didn't do it when we first got here on Friday night because we were super tired. I just wanted to get the boys in and to bed. So please forgive it. It is a little bit lived in, but we've tried to keep it tidy. We are in Jazz Building number 2. It's a preferred room location. I had booked standard initially, and then I paid a little bit extra to upgrade us to preferred. It's 4 buildings, 2 Calypso and 2 Jazz. They're the closest to the main lobby, the food court and the transportation. Just thought it'd make life just that little bit easier, and the difference in price wasn't horrendous. Our room number is 2448. It's on the ground floor. This is our view, which is fine because it's quiet. Like I said, I booked a preferred room. What I hadn't booked was a suite. So this is actually a family suite. We got pixie dusted. So you come in, you have, when that bed is up, this is Anders' bed. When that bed is up, it's a table with 4 chairs, which we've actually got parked over here. 4 chairs. And then this little unit here is on wheels, so it's super easy to move. And this is the other pull-down bed. They're both queen-size beds, and they're so comfortable. You can't see behind all of Xander's junk there, so I'll go over to this side. But between each bed, you've got light switches. There's plenty of light switches in here. USB ports and plug sockets. TV has your name on it. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the old music on it. Plenty of storage. I normally bring like a hanging garment rack thing. I haven't had to use it. And both rooms have their own air conditioning unit. A little bit of hanging there. So we carry on. And then this is bathroom number 1. So you've got your little closet area here. Your iron, because we have to have that. And then you've got more storage. So these actually sleep 6 adults. Yes, it'd be a bit tight, but there is plenty of room. Hi. And then this bathroom has a pocket door. It's closed off, toilet, and over the bath shower tub combination. And of course it has all the H2O things, just no body lotion, which is a shame. Plenty of towels. And then you come through here. I'm assuming in the standard rooms you have a wall here, but we've got a little kitchenette with a microwave, which has been fantastic because we use that to sterilize the bottles. And the sink, obviously we can wash the bottles there. And again, lots of shelves and what have you to store all our stuff. And then you come through, they did deliver us a pack and play. There's another queen bed. The beds here are ever so comfortable. No actual bedside tables here. There's a shelf on this side, and again, USB ports and plugs. More USB ports and plugs over by the TV, so plenty of places to charge everything. More storage, another TV. And then, yeah, like a little floating shelf type unit there. And then you come on back through here. Now this is open. There's no actual door here to your sink area. So you've got your sink, a bit more shelving underneath. And then your little hanging closet area. And then you actually have a pocket door to close off the toilet. And in here it's actually a shower with 2 shower heads. Water pressure isn't brilliant in this shower. It's better in the other one. But yeah, that's our room. We are very happy with it. I was a bit dubious about staying at Value. I figured it's going to be rough with the 3 of us just sharing a bathroom. But these family suites are fantastic. The transport hasn't been an issue. We'd stay here again. If the price was right, definitely stay here again. But yeah, these are the family suites. Highly recommended. And those beds, man, they're comfortable. I think the actual words around that side of the building, which is where the buses pick you up. But this here is the main lobby entrance. Now it's a value resort. There are 3 All-Stars. There's this one. There's All-Stars Music. No, this is All-Stars Music. There's this one. There's All-Star Movies and All-Star Sports. Obviously, theming is everything for Disney. So here they roll out the red carpet for you. As we go into the lobby. All the lobbies again are laid out the same. The buildings are all the same in the All-Stars. So you have the concierge desk to your left. Check-in to your right. A lot of people hanging about with tablets. They come and see you. Just like all of the other Disney resorts, they have kids' movies playing with kids-side seating. We carry on through. You've got Maestro Mickey's, which is the gift shop. And then right next to there, the doors to get you out to the buses. Buses take you to all the parks and to Disney Springs. And we turn around this way, and you have an arcade on your right, where Xander has spent some time having fun. And then on your left you have the food court, the intermission food court. We ate in here last night, it wasn't bad. You can mobile order, but if you don't want to do that, you have your different food stations in here. And the interesting dessert ones are here as soon as you walk in, which I think is a fabulous idea. Then you have your create your own, which I think is what Rich had last night, was a create your own. I don't know how well you could see any of that. The food's all laid out, and you enter into each one. That's your grab and go. And then this is your burgers and pizza and all the rest of it. And then you pay at any one of these checkouts. That is your bar right there. And there, as I said previously in a video, there is plenty of seating in here. This is your pizza pickup window and your mobile order pickup window. And then you have all your condiments, utensils and drink station. And this is a big square, and it's exactly the same on the other side. Back out of the food court. Keep going. Pulls you out into the pool area. Actually, if I pan round to my left, that is the pool bar there, which you saw on the other side. There are various games. My husband and son are partaking at the moment. I think all the resorts have got variations of different games. This is the actual resort map. I'll just hold on this for a moment because I want to show you. We are in a preferred room. So you've got Melody Hall, which is the main lobby area. Number 14 is the pool that's in front of me. Buildings number 1, 2, 9 and 10, Calypso and Jazz, are the preferred buildings, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are standard, and then number 11 in the middle is a second smaller pool. So this is the Calypso pool area. Big difference between value resorts and the moderates and the deluxes. There's no pool slide, it's just a pool. This one is shaped like a guitar. You can see, so we've got Calypso, Jazz, which is where we are. That's the other Jazz building and the other Calypso. And then the other ones are further down there. Like all the other resorts, there are various activities. And then I'm surprised Xander hasn't cottoned onto this one yet. But you've got the fire pit here from 6 till 7 for $7 at the moment. You can roast your own s'mores, and they are Mickey shaped. This building here is the laundry. Spent a lot of time in here last night. First day here. Why wouldn't I want to do laundry? But you know what? I don't have any complaints. So this is the rock building, and I've just realised these are the pavements, and in the middle is the road, and then this is a side street, I guess, taking you up to there, back onto the pavement. You got like your street lights with your street, and then the white bits in the middle for the lines, and then there's a car. This is the Rock Inn. It's so cool. That kind of puts me in mind of the car in Harry Potter. I know it's not, but... And then you've got a zebra crossing. You've got a zebra crossing?
The restaurant will have to check it for.
Oh yeah, and this is a jukebox. Actually, it'd probably be better if I do it from this angle. There we go.
Your diner.
Yeah, it's proper diner type.
Ba ba da ba ba ba.